Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. You're joined by your boy Nelson. I'm here with my co-host. I have Untantlam team at this side. I have Unkonzo Chilis this side. Gents, welcome back, man. Welcome to Unkonzo Bafetu, newest addition to the show. Football enthusiast, man. He's just like us, even worse than us. Yeah, I understand. So he's here with us. He's gonna be with us on the channel for as long as he wants. Yeah, I understand. We're just doing this for the love of the game, and yeah, today we're just bringing you just a post-match reaction to a game, yeah, Bafana Bafana against the Czech Republic. As you guys saw, we threw that game, and yeah, man, just to start it off, man, I'll say my piece, and I want to be brutally honest about the game, how I saw the game. First of all, I feel like the approach was spot on, even though we didn't start with a natural 10, which is a creative player. I liked how he changed the defense and went back to default settings. You know what? Go back to back four. That makes sense. I don't know if you saw he benched to CBC for Ocon, which is the very same centre back duo that I opted for before even our first game. Yeah, I understand. And yeah, man. Even good midfielder, he still started, a flat trim, which, in overall, I think it helped us. Yeah, I understand. But looking at the game, man, I feel like Amachita stepped up. I feel like Amachita tried. Even though at the beginning of the game I was nervous because of at the beginning of the game, when the Czech Republic scored their goal, it looked like we were still confused. It looked like we couldn't stitch on my passes. We couldn't get the grit of the game. But just how the game went about, it looked like a game that we were supposed to win. Yeah, I understand. It looked like it can go either way. It was much better than what we saw first game with Mexico, whereby you couldn't even see a chance of us scoring. Yeah, I understand. So I feel like this time around the Gents stepped up. Maseko, man, played his heart out. Yeah, I understand. Apolis, even though he wasn't much on the ball, you could see which Apolis needed a relay, needed like a 10, needed umuntu ozomdlalisa. You understand? Because of he was isolated. We have to be honest. Apolis was isolated. You understand? Umaseko, we saw him a lot on the ball because of his speed, because of, yeah, understand, but I feel like Apolis just needed umuntu ozomsiza, needed umuntu ozomdlalisa. You understand? So I feel like the approach was okay. I feel like we deserved to win that game. I mean, if you look at how it ended, it got to a point where by Czech Republic, they say defender. Idlala ngevigas bezilanga. You understand? And you look at our performances of Omukwena, man, and it's like, you know what? I have to be honest. To Hugo Proso Slima Zilanga first game. Slima Zilanga first game because of if he had started if first game the very same way he approached the game, the Czech Republic, anything could have happened. We could have salvaged at least a point. You understand? Because it's not that Mexico was coming at us. It's just that we weren't good enough. You understand? So I don't know how do you guys feel about the Czech Republic game?
Yeah, I can start. Yeah, I think a lot of positive compared to the last game, the first game against Mexico. I think the boys played very well, more especially second half. More especially second half. You can see that now it's Bafana Bafana. We know it's how we play. We have a creative player. Like there is a chemistry, there are understanding one, there is a understanding between the players, more especially the attackers. So yeah, I think man, it was a good game. Unfortunately, we didn't get maximum point because at least we need a win. If we get that win, at least we know we have high chances of reaching the knockout stages. But it's something good going to the last game with that performance, which can give us more hopes of making it to the knockout stages. But yeah, the way we concede goals, the way we concede the first goal, I was not impressed. It was just a silly mistake. Like we allowed that cross, allow that ball to roll. So I think those are some things that we need to fix. Those are the things that we need to fix in order to make sure we are able to compete. Because if you continue making those kind of mistake, obviously you'll get punished. Then also you will not even have a chance to come back into the game. Fortunate enough, Second half, yeah, now we started playing. We have more creativity. Really comes to the party. We can see Masego played very well. There's Apolisi on that side. Mahopa come and push the good shifts again. So yeah, I think honestly, I think on that game, we've played very well, man. I really wish Hugo Bruce can start a game with that front three actually. Maseko, Police, Mahopa. Obviously, I prefer Reyners, but Reyners has played 2 games so far. He didn't give us anything, honestly. Maybe it has to do with the service. Maybe he preferred the ball on the space, not on like as they can play him and lay the ball to the teammates. But again, it has to do with the style of play of the coach. So you need to adapt on the system of the coach, how the coach wants the teams to play. So and also start really, man. That guy, I believe, is his brain of the team. You need him. Like you need someone like really who can make things happen. I know it's a world stage. Uh, it's not easy. He didn't prove himself on the world stage. That's the honest truth again. So he didn't play well on the national team. But like on that game, he came in and yeah, and had a positive impact into the game. So I think you need to start that guy, make him believe, man, that he can make things happen. Because as I said, you need that kind of player in the team. That's someone who can make things happen, someone who have creativity, someone who is the brain of the team, as I told you. So Ting Relay is one of the players that can win us games only if you believe in him. Going to the defense, I think that's pairing, man. I was doubting Ocon, honestly speaking. But the thing is, I didn't see him. I didn't see him playing on the major tournaments like AFCON and stuff. So I was like, but Hugo Bruce, this guy, he didn't play on any major tournament. That pairing. Why do you want to try something new on the World Cup? Because the World Cup is the big stage. It's like one of the big stage of football. So it's better to go there and you know your soldiers on the back line. You know that you can go with this pairing. Obviously, we have Ndao and Motiva, but I feel like they prove themselves on that team. We can go with that pairing for the rest of the World Cup. I can say that. So we can go with that pairing. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. That's because
and ngisayida nawe nami Nkonzo. You know, I told Untanta before it came in Mexico when we predicted the lineup, I didn't put Usibisi in. I said UTLP, no Ocon. And to back myself, it's not that because of I watched Ocon. I won't lie to you guys. Mina Ichen, I watched Ichen. I understand Ichen Lebedlal. I think late last year. Yeah, Yamachita. Just I think it was just after the season started or just after this. I can't recall that, but I watched Ime Ocon, and I know why I said we have to start TLP. No Ocon because of UCB's years for security, years for bench, he's the right guy. For rotation, he's the right guy. But yet again, you look at the fact that we need people who are more mobile, we need people who are more dynamic, even on the ball. You understand? And no disrespect to CBC, but we need mobile people there. So hence I said, you know what, Ocon and Nima now and I'm in Konzo, we have to go with a center back duo, Yaga Tilpino Ocon. And Tlanta, over to you.
Hi, Shafet. It is what it is, Fit. But yeah, Fit, Mina, I'll still be honest. I'm not really a fan of flat three. Especially ngendlela Hugo Bruce adlala ngayo. I look at the way Hugo Bruce plays. Hugo Bruce loves long balls. You understand? From the back. So mawudlala ama long ball, you need obviously uzodlala ama long ball, so you're gonna want an attacker, a striker esizokwazi ukuthi siwine that first ball and make a player around him play. So what I've noticed kuleya game leyana, which as much as besphethe possession and stuff, the midfield three and the front three was too far away from each other. You understand? So we'd play that long ball kenzeka mhlawumbe siyiwine kenzeka singayiwini. And then mawuthi uyabuka, it was easy for Czech Republic to deal with it, to get away from Leon, because there's no pressure, there's no 10, there's no middleman who when you play ama long ball, strikers ngaluwina lelo bhola lelo, and then you have someone oseduze to receive that ball and make the other players play. You understand? So that's the worry I have. And as much as Nami at the beginning of the World Cup, I was saying, Guti, let's start to reign us. I see the way esidlala ngakhona, the way Hugo Broos edlala ngakhona, ukuthi he's not the ideal man for those long balls, because one, he's not tall, he's not a physical monster. Akafani no Makgopa. You understand? Makgopa yena, he's taller, he's stronger, and he's more mobile. You understand? He's able to win that ball and make him a player around him play. But nakhona mawumfaka uMakgopa, make sure you have enough attacking players eduze kwakhe, so that when he knocks that ball, kuzoba khona ama-players eduze angadlala nganga-receiver lelo ball, and then we take it from there. That's what happened nge-AFCON yokuqala. Remember when uMakgopa was starting in that AFCON, how well we were playing, even ngesikhathi sidlala la wona lawo ma-long ball lawo, but we were able to make something happen, because Makgopa is very good at winning that first ball. You understand? So if you play a flat 3, you're limiting us from creating amathuba. Yeah, well, because the flat 3 is hey, Hugo Broos ikwala, man. Hey, Hugo, you're limiting us from creating amathuba. You understand? The flat 3 is just there for midfield control, defense, but not necessarily creativity wise. I understand. So I just wish the next game would play 4-2-3-1. I feel like that's the ideal formation for the next game, if we want to create chances and go through to the next game. And phela manje it's do or die. Asadlaleli ukuthi we want to protect something, it's protectan, because we have to win the game and go through. Yeah, well, so man, and a worrying factor, we're missing Debs for the next game. He's suspended now. I don't know what this is on Misa Ganjan for that next game in midfield. Angazi noma uyaya uzobuya, uzodlala nobani. It's just
No,
I'm worried.
I feel like the coach, like akadingi ukuthi lokho complicates izinto mfethu. Tebza is not there. Start Talent and Jaden. Mfethu Talent uzodlala as a 6, uJaden edlala as a 8, as a progressive midfielder. Really play him as a cam. Simple. Ungazi ufuna like ukuthi, because vele it was a wrong decision ukuthi edlale lamajita flat 3. Like he needed someone who is more creative. Okay, we know Tebza is like a core of the team. Akekho umuntu onga-replace leya quality ka-Tebza. But I feel like we have also some better players who can prove themselves. You understand? So for Yaya Sithole, nothing. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi maybe nginenkinga na Yaya Sithole, but no. So far.
I'd also I'd also put in Moremi. Yeah, well, maybe not start him, but I want him to get minutes in that South Korea game. The reason why I want Moremi to play as well is when I look at him and Maseko, same type of player. You understand? I'm a player who got pace, who can hurt you, mama counter and stuff. But the only thing that Moremi is better with, Guno Maseko, I'd say is long range shooting. You understand? We will sometimes need that to go game. Mhlawumbe mase struggle like who create like a chance from playing. You understand? Having more people who can shoot from distance, about threats on that. Season, Moremi, you've seen Moremi this season, like how many goals he was scoring from outside the box. He has that ability to shoot from outside the box. So I feel like also having him more chances of actually scoring more goals, because man, Sizoading a goal against Korea.
You know, you know, ngifuna ukuvumelana nani no-two James, especially with first with what you said earlier on ukuthi uHugo Bros uzosibulala ngokuthi igwala. Lo amadala lo ngimbone from AFCON lesiphuma kuye last year ukuthi no amadala igwala. You understand? Because of I hate to take it back, but if you guys remember, it's a AFCON last year went the very same things. Whereby it fled. I don't know why I'm gonna figure like to the biggest stage. Like it's like during our qualifiers or during our friendly games, he goes all out. Like he shows us Ebola. But when it comes to him having to now perform or do the very same thing with international stage or even at global stage now, uvela bayigwala uvela manje afuna ukuyenza ama-flat-3 nan. But you know, going to a game layer, first of all, I think you're right. Mauti, we need a Moremi type of player. Umuntu ozoshaya from the distance mesimdinga. Umakhopa can get a rebound, a bola buya from goalkeeper. So I want us to approach the game ye Korea with, you know, into ngayifuni and into Hugo Bros engafuna senzise yona is for us to die with a loaded gun on our hand. We have players. You can't wanna let us die with a loaded gun. We have players. So going to that South Korea game, I want Hugo Bros to go pound for pound. Start to really let him control the game. Let him drive our tempo. Let him create. Let him link up in the front three. You understand? Start stop being equal. Just go Adams, go Umbat. And then let him really dance. Because of already so Bulel. It was supposed to be Zwane driving that front three. It was supposed to be Umshishi who's dancing, who's making us dance, who's making us play football. But for the fact that Hugo Bros has killed the guy in terms of match ban red card, it's because of his decisions. You understand? If he had done the right thing from the beginning of the game, I don't think Uzwane would have gotten a red card. Let's be honest. You understand? So going to that game, let us dance. Let us, if Siadliwa, if Siapuma out of the World Cup and come back and be like, you know what, Sidliwe Sapuma out of the World Cup, having played our game, having went pound to pound, not Uguti Sipume and then City, why am I a creative player? Why am I number 10? You understand? So I want Hugo Bros to go all out. Start to Maseko Lapana, put in police or put in Muremi Lapana, let's go to war. If Mhlambe is a backfire, if playing it, Mhlambe is consider 3 goals, then so be it. But at least we were trying. You understand? So Hugo Bros, we are harmed after the World Cup. Like, dog, you have nothing to lose. Just go pound to pound. Let us play football. Start to really there. Let us dance. We're playing against a very difficult side. South Korea, they're not easy. You understand? But in Tengafuni, siyenze ukuthi sibe na that narrative ukuthi South Korea nzima, let's go pound for pound, because of masingafuna ukuya ngaleyo mentality. Hugo Bros, I can assure you he's gonna do the very same thing. Uzofuna uqala i-flat 3 emidleleni, like, let's go to war, gents. That's what I wanna see. Ngifuna mangabe sizodliwa sizoconsider more than 2 goals. Ngisishaya isifuba after the game ukuthi okay, you know what, siconsider sidliwe kanje because of we were trying. Yeah, well, so that's just how I feel. You know what? Start to really there, man. If you have to start to Mahopa because of, even though he's not a fan favorite, but he does things there. When this isn't, we have to be honest. You understand? And you know what? Reyners has already started 2 games. Ulyle Foster has already played. Then let Mahopa play. You understand? Let Umuremi get minutes. Like, let Amachita get minutes, especially Amachita, who we know for sure they can give us something, who we know for sure they can put in impact. Put them in. It's that simple. Put them in. You don't have to now start Amanyama left back, or you don't have to now start Amanyama right back. Yes, I would like to see an introduction of Usibelebele later in the game as a right back, taking out Mutau. You understand? Because I feel like he's also a type of player that can give us something, whether as a right winger, whether as a right back. I understand. So I wanna see Abu Sibelebele. I wanna see if izinto such nil. I want to see if you were taking out Mutau, putting in Sibelebele, because of Sibelebele can come back, can track back Azomak. Sibelebele can go offensively. I can argue and say he can give us way better than Mutau in terms of like as offensive right back. Nothing against Muta, our best right back in the country, but I'm talking now in terms of like being like more mobile, like having that skill, having that pace. If you have to put in, and then when something like that, but then umfake as a right wing, you understand? So just you have all the guns, man. Just do something about all those players, man. I just want to see us go pound for pound, man. That's just how I feel.
Yeah, mfethu. Yeah, exactly, bro. Because manje mfethu, it's do or die. It's do or die. We have to win the game leyo. Sangawina ichayile, but at least makuba asiwinanga, at least mfethu siphume sizamile ngokudlala indlela yethu yala eSouth Africa, the way we
Let's
know, the way
let's win people's
esiqualify
hearts,
ngakho.
man, at least.
Yabo. Yeah. But I mean,
And
I have a question for you guys. And ngifuna nibe honest, ningayi ngenhliziyo, yabo, ningayi ngokufisa. Are we making it through? Yes or no?
That question, it's a bit more difficult. It's an interesting question, honestly, because we have what, like, I believe we have the best team that can make it to knockout stages, but the thing is, ucoach wethu esinayo ongavimba team yethu ukuthi ikwazi ukuprogressa iye ku knockout stages. But in terms of the quality, I believe we have a best team that can make it maybe you may never know, even to last 16, bro. If you understand the players, you play them according to their strength. You understand? So that my point is, yes, we are going to, like, there is a high possibility to make it through, but it's depend with the decision of the coach, because sometimes he lets us down. You understand? As Dama point we made a valid point with it. Yini esibonayo ukuthi iyasisebenzela, and le first 11 akayenzile on a previous game, like into le ebishiwe social media, like all day long throughout the week, then but uthi akayilaleli social media, but wenze exactly le nto ebishiwe social media, and he managed to get something out of that game. So ipoint lami lithi, we have the quality, we have good players, and we can make it only if the coach can do the right thing. Angazi noma ngikuphendulile. But to direct with the answer, yes, we will make it through.
I share the same sentiments as Nkonzo, but I'll try and elaborate as to why ngithi ngivumelana ne-answer yakhe. As I've said, ukuthi uHugo Broos usibulale from first game. Guys, I think we have to be honest about our players. We have good players. I won't lie to you. We have good players. We have a very capable bunch. We have a very capable group. Those guys are capable, gents. Like a lot of things, Zenzagalo World Cup. You see, our nations are loser. Nations that you didn't expect to lose. I understand that you see our Turkey being knocked out. Yes, it's not it's not the best nation, but so my point is, let me just answer your question. I want to say yes, but it's all up to Hugo, man. I believe we can. I believe it's possible, but it's all up to Hugo. You understand? For those guys to believe in themselves, they first need to see the coach believing in them. You understand? In order for Urele and make us dance, he needs to get the confidence from coach. Because if the guy up there doesn't believe in you, even when you're not believer in you, but you're gonna lack something. You understand? So this is a do or die game. Do I see us beating South Korea? On paper, it looks difficult. On paper, Mastaba in South Korea, it looks difficult. But is it possible? Yes, it is. We have the talent. We have good players. It is possible. You understand? It's just up to us having to go there and fight, put in a fight. Like, fight and win people's hearts. So to answer your question, it's possible. We can beat South Korea and go through. I won't lie to you, it's possible. It's just up to a coach and the players. But to cut it short, we are capable.
Yeah, I think also like he made a very good point. That's also it's up to the players because again the players need to prove themselves. Yeah, also sometimes I feel like we could see blame coach too much, but some of the players also they let it team down. So they need to prove themselves. Whenever our coach they need to show that they can make it. I think we like Sizedule World Cup the advantage like South Island Sundowns, they are African champions. So I think that can also work for us. So when we talk about the quality and the capability of making it to the knockout stages. So yeah, it's possible. It's up to the coach. I can say 60% up to the coach. 40% it's up to the players.
Man, uHugo mela figure laphana, man. Abonise ilizwe, the players that we have, abonise like the world, what we are capable of. You know, it's that time. This is the last game. Let's just go there, man, and play football. Let's just go there and dance, man. Like it's 60% good coach. If coach does the right things, then namachita na wanyazi la kwana right now, la sel kwana na they know. Okay, this is a 2 or die game. We have to play our hearts out. So yeah, man, to answer our question, that's how we answer your question.
All right, I need a chance.
How do you feel? You answer your question then now. You answer your question.
Firstly, I agree with you guys. I understand 100%. I understand, but as painful as it may sound, if we be honest, and this is my reasoning, I'm saying no. I understand, because I look at South Korea. South Korea only needs a draw in that game to make it through, and they know that. And they've got very good defenders. But leadership, they have organization. And they also have the ability to hurt you on the counter. They've got a player who've got experience, man. I mean, Bano Son, Bano Kim Min Jae, and they only need a draw. And looking at the way that we've been playing, Hugo Bruce starting a flat 3, us not being able to create many clear-cut opportunities, it can be very easy for South Korea to just hold us. I understand. So that's the worry that I have. I feel like man, I feel like we're not gonna create enough, especially Yamazu Hugo Bruce. So we won't be able to create opportunities, and I feel like for Boda it will just be enough to a draw, and then they go through. And at times the game there must correct. We'll start getting desperate, and when we get desperate, that's when they can hurt us. The game are very bad real quick. So man, as much as I'd like to say yes, that's what I feel will happen.
I'm looking at the time, just to add on or to just last 2 cents, from what you've just said. 100%. We're playing against a very organized side that only needs a draw, but anything is possible. That's all I'm gonna say. Anything is possible. And I think with that, man, I think with that, I don't know. I think maybe we can call it a wrap.
Yeah. On my side, like you made a very good point, Lanka. So but I don't see this game draw. So it's either we win or we lose. Because ending Chabula, like if it's like that, because Guti coach to it's that guy it's like equal. If Gube itina, it's need a draw was qualified, was a born. So Yeah, it's all or nothing. It's do or die. So yeah, obviously mabe mama ukuthi nabo bazofuna ukuthi bebe more defensive. Obviously bazowenza ama mistake, but nathi masoya sifocus more on scoring than singabi organize step back. So gcina besipunisher. So yeah, it's an interesting game. It's ngiyafisa ukubona ukuthi izophela kanjani, but definitely sure ngeke iphele ngedraw.
Yeah, man. So I think that's all that we guys have for today. We will see you guys just before the game. We will do another video just before the game. And please like the video, man. Please subscribe to the channel, man. Please comment, man. Football is a game of opinions. Yeah, I understand that it's yes, at the end it's a game of facts sometimes, but I think like majority, it's just a game of opinions. And if nifuna ukuphikisa mina or uNhlanhla or uNkonzo, just comment there, man. Tell us what you think, because if we can see the views, we can see the likes, but we're not seeing the comments. You understand? So whatever that's on your mind, if ufuna ukuphikisa mina, so be it. If ufuna ukuphikisa uNhlanhla, if you want to tell us something that we missed out on, then just comment, man, and just show us some love, man. We're just doing this for the love of the game, man. I think that's just all that I have for today, man.
Sure, guys. Yeah, man. As a Nkonzo, guys. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment. Do all those nice things. This pigisa, man. This pigisa. We are here for it. But yeah. That's all we have for you guys today. Yeah, we will see you on the next one. It's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakazana Mdima. It's your boy the Nelson. It's your boy Nkonzo Buthelezi, and we'll see you on the next one. Hola.
Guys, sharp.